Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my skincare routine, also featuring the new, well, it's not new, but new to me, Josie Maran skincare line. I'm going to be trying out this little set I got from Sephora today and let you guys know my opinions on it. So first, of course, I'm going to start off by taking off my lashes. So next, I'm going to go in with a rubber band and just put my hair up. That way it's out of my face and doesn't get all wet. I'm going to be going in with the Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Cleansing Wipes. I've never tried these before this first time I purchased them, and I don't really care for them that much, but I already bought them, so I figured I might as well use them. It does a really good job at taking the makeup off, but I feel it's a little bit too rough for my skin. I was just out of town recently, so my skin was very irritated. Definitely because I wasn't keeping up on my skincare while being out of town. We all know how that goes. So that's why I really wanted to try out this new skincare line, and I had enough Sephora points for it, so I was like, why not try it out? So yeah, I'm just taking off all my makeup, and as you can see, it takes off makeup pretty well. It, like, look at all, that's so gross, nasty, but it took off a lot of my makeup. I still go in and do more things to just extra make sure that my makeup is taken off, but I feel it did a pretty good job at taking my makeup off. It's just kind of rough. Now I'm gonna go in and wash my hands. You guys make sure that you guys do this before you start touching your face. I forgot, but just always make sure that you're washing your hands also before you're cleaning your face so you're not spreading any more germs. Going to be going in with the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I've never used a micellar cleansing water before this video, but I wanted to make sure that it just gets all the excess makeup off because I wasn't sure how well the wipes worked. I mean, obviously they worked pretty well, got a lot of my makeup off, but just to be extra sure. And then I go ahead and rinse my face. So next I'm going to be taking just Johnson's baby soap for my facial wash today. I have super sensitive skin, and I've tried everything from different high-end to different low-end facial washes, and I don't necessarily love any or really hate any. I just feel like I haven't seen any results with any, and I have super sensitive skin, and Johnson's baby soap is very gentle. Some people don't think that it's a deep enough cleanser, but I feel with the combination of everything else I use and going in with my facial brush, I feel it does a really good job at cleaning my skin, and it's also still very gentle. It doesn't break me out, it doesn't give me any skin irritation, which I have had with other facial washes, so why fix something that's not broken? So now I'm going to take this facial brush that I got for Christmas from one of my family members. I'm not really sure where they got this one at, but you can find these on Amazon anywhere. Like, it's just a regular facial cleansing brush, and I just put it on the highest setting and really get into my skin more with it. Also do go in and exfoliate about 3 times a week. Here is the Josie Maran Juicy Glowing Argan Treats. It is this little skincare set that you can get at Sephora with your Sephora points. First, I'm going in and dampening my face because I patted it dry after I washed it, and to use the mud mask, they say you should have some dampness to your skin, so I just dampened my face. And then next I will be going in with the whipped mud mask. It says argan hydrating and detoxifying treatment. I absolutely loved it once I tried it out. It smells really good and feels very whipped, and I really like that kind of feeling. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Then you leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. And have a little dance party, of course.
Shorty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse.
So once the mask is fully dry, you can go in with a damp washcloth or rag and just start wiping away the mask. Always make sure that you're patting your face dry and not rubbing to avoid wrinkles. Next, I'm going to be taking the Kiss Lip Scrub by Lush. I just got this recently and I absolutely love it. It literally is like a salty fruity pebble taste. It's so weird but so cool. So I just rub that all around my lips for about 15 seconds or so. Look at the hearts, they're so cute. And they say that you can eat it off, but I don't really like the idea of eating dead skin off of my lips, so I just wipe it off with a rag. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. I absolutely love this face butter. It is so moisturizing. It feels so good. Like, it's amazing. It's everything to me. I love it so much. And now I'm going to be taking the Josie Maran 100% Pure Argan Oil. It says to take 3 to 4 drops of the argan oil and rub between your fingers to warm it up, and then gently press into the skin. So that is what I am doing now. Next, I'm going to take this Josie Maran Argan Lip Sting in Embrace It Honey. and just apply that onto my lips. It's supposed to be moisturizing and plumping, but it also gives off some color. I didn't care for the color. It's very pale on me, but the idea is cool. So that is it for the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Love being able to show off this kind of skin as well as my full face videos, because we are all human and beautiful on the inside and out. And yeah, I really enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I'm so happy that I stuck with the Josie Maran line so I can give you an updated opinion on it, and I will include a shot of that now. Here is my skin, how it looks after a week of using it. As you can see, my acne has really diminished and my skin is glowing and it is very moisturized and bright. And yeah, I am absolutely loving this line right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe so you guys know when I'm posting more stuff. Thank you guys so much for the love and support, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Get it, get fly. I got 6 jobs. I don't get tired. I don't get